How to use Hugging Face in production. Alright, so you have been experimenting with this awesome Hugging Face model, maybe for the sentiment analysis or text generation. They are powerful, right? But how do you actually get them working outside of your notebooks, making them useful in a real-world application? That's what we are talking about, taking Hugging Face models into the production. First things first, remember these giant models can be a bit hefty. Optimization is a key. Think about quantization to reduce the model size and speed of inference. Libraries like ONN and XRuntime can really help here, making your model run faster. Next, absorbing your model. You have got options. For simpler setups, you could use Flex or Fast API to create a quick endpoint around your model. For something more robust or scalable, consider using inference servers like TensorFlow Serving or TorchServe. These are designed to handle the production loads and offer the features like versioning and monitoring. And lastly, don't forget about infrastructure. Cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure offer services specially for deploying machine learning models. Think about using containers with the Docker for consistent deployments and Kubernetes for orchestration if you need to scale. Lastly, monitoring is crucial. Keep an eye on your model performance, latency, and error rates. This will help you catch any issues early and ensure your model is running smoothly in the production. And that's the stuff it. Moving Hugging Face model into the production is about optimization. Choosing the right serving method, solid infrastructures, and diligent monitoring. It may sound like a lot, but breaking it down step by step makes it manageable. At last, good luck for your production. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.